don't know where she is. Well, maybe I ought to go join the other children.
All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. There you go.
Look! Hey! No touching allowed.
Oh.
Help me get the children into the house.
Have they gone, Mitch?
I think so.
Is anyone hurt?
Well, Jenny got a scratch down her cheek, but it's nothing.
That makes 3 times.
Mitch, this isn't usual, is it? The gull when I was in the boat yesterday, the one at Annie's last night, and now...
Last night? What do you mean?
A gull smashed into Annie's front door. Mitch, what's happening?
I don't know, but do you have to go back to Annie's?
No, I have my things in the car.
Stay and have something to eat before you start back, huh? I'd feel a lot better. Would you like some mustard with that?
No, thank you.
Why didn't Annie stay for dinner?
Said something about going home to take a call from her sister in the East.
What's the matter with them?
What's the matter with all the birds?
Where'd you want this coffee?
In on the table, honey.
Hurry up with yours, Mitch. I'm sure Miss Daniels wants to be on her way.
I think you ought to stay the night, Melanie. We have an extra room upstairs and everything.
That road can be a pretty bad one at night, too, you know.
Well, if I go across to Santa Rosa, I'll come out on the freeway much earlier, won't I?
Yes, and the freeway is much quicker.
Yeah, but she'll be hitting all the heavy traffic going back to San Francisco.
Just listen to those lovebirds.
Mitch.
Cover your faces! Cover your eyes!
That's a sparrow, all right.
We know what it is, Al.
Did you have a light burning or something?
Well, yes, but there wouldn't have been that much light going up the chimney.
Because sometimes birds are attracted by light, you know. Sure is a peculiar thing.
Well, all right, but we've got to do something about it.
I don't think I get you, Midge. Do about what?
Well, the birds invaded the house.
What's more likely, they got in the room and was just panicked. That's
All right, I'll admit a bird will panic in an enclosed room, but they didn't just get in. They came in right down the chimney.
My wife found a bird in the back seat of her car once.
Tell him about the party.
That's right. We had a party here this afternoon for Kathy for her birthday. In the
How
middle
old
of
is she?
11. In the middle of the party, some seagulls came down at the children. Miss Daniels was attacked by a gull only yesterday.
Yeah. Were the kids bothering the birds or something? Because if you make any kind of a disturbance near them, they just come after you.
Al, the children were playing a game. Those gulls attacked.
Now, Lydia, attack's a pretty strong word, don't you think? I mean, birds just don't go around attacking people without no reason. You know what I mean? Kids probably scared them, that's all.
These birds attacked.
Well, you got quite a mess here, I'll admit that. Maybe you ought to put some screen on top of your chimney. You want some help cleaning up?
No, I can handle it. It shouldn't be too much of a job.
I'll take Kathy up to bed. I think I should stay, don't you?
It would be nice if you could.
My things are in the car. Do you want to go with me?
All right.
Well, anything else I can do, Mitch?
No, thanks, Al. We'll be all right.
Good night, Lydia. Sure is peculiar.